If you know what to eat to be healthy but struggle it to be a consistent part of your life, I totally understand. I've been there too. So stay tuned and we'll work through it together. It's the middle of September right now and I'm starting a new challenge that I hope will not only become my lifestyle but also will help you reach your health goals along the way. If you followed me for a while, you know that occasionally I do these raw vegan challenges and they have been life-changing. But this time it's different. I'm starting a new raw food challenge but with an open-ended approach. So I'll be taking it day by day and documenting it as much as I can here on YouTube. So to start off, I am committing to uploading every single day for the next 7 days. And if it goes well, then I'll keep on going. My goal with daily uploads is to get more comfortable and confident on camera. I have seen a huge improvement since my first video 4 years ago, but I still feel there is room to grow, so that's why I'm starting this challenge. Beyond personal growth, I want to see if YouTube algorithm can help me reach the right audience. People like you who need motivation, encouragement, and a sense of community with this lifestyle. So we can support each other on this not so easy but definitely rewarding journey. And if you're interested in joining me on this raw food challenge, then drop a comment below and let's keep each other accountable. All my contact information is in the description under this video, so feel free to reach out to me. So why am I doing a raw food challenge again? One reason is that I want to break free from my cooked food addiction. I've noticed that whenever I eat cooked food, I tend to overeat and then I don't feel so good afterwards. Cooked food is more salty and it's definitely more dehydrating in general, and it makes me feel sluggish. This didn't affect me in my 20s and 30s, but as I approach 45, I can definitely feel the difference. When I eat fully raw, I never feel lazy. Sure, I get tired at times, but that's normal. We're not meant to run around 24/7. Our bodies need rest between activities. Another reason for going raw is to eliminate this intense hunger that I get from cooked food. When I eat all raw, I don't experience this uncomfortable, obsessive hunger. If I do get a little hungry, it's manageable and I don't feel the urge to immediately stuff myself with food. So I feel more at peace, and when I do eat, I enjoy every bite of it. The food has to be delicious though, or I know that I'm gonna be tempted to go back to cooked food. And this is a new realization from my raw food challenges, how much I truly enjoy raw meals. I also want to see what other improvements I can experience by staying raw for a longer period. I'm curious to see how I feel after, let's say, a year of raw eating. So this challenge is not only for me to stay accountable, but also to inspire you to eat more fruits and veggies too. And if you are fully raw, I'd love to hear your tips. What changes have you noticed? Was it a good decision? How do you handle the cravings? And would you recommend going fully raw to someone, and why? So as you can understand, that this is a huge change for me, and I will definitely keep you with updates here on YouTube. But in the meantime, you can watch this video on the screen that I think you might like next. So I will see you there.